All right, so this is a 4-in-1 brush and snow scraper. And if you live anywhere with winter weather, you'll be glad that you grabbed this tool. So this is a snow broom, a squeegee, a frost remover, and ice scraper all in one. So what's great about this is it seriously makes removing snow and ice so much easier, especially on those cold mornings after a snowfall. So it does have an extendable pole. So it reaches up to 39 inches. So this helps me get all the way across the windshield. And of course, it helps me get some of that snow off the top of my SUV without having to climb. For reference, I am 5'4", so this is really helpful. So the bristles are dual layered. The inner ones break up compact snow, and the outer rounded ones gently clean the glass, which is good because I wouldn't want it to scratch up my car. The snow broom is soft but strong. It pushes big chunks of snow without scratching your paint, and it gets everything off in just a few passes. This is my favorite part, reaching the whole roof from the ground. So no more snow sliding off when you're pressing your brakes or covering the car behind you. And the ice scraper actually works. It breaks up frost quickly without chipping the glass. And it's wide enough to clear a big section with one pass. The squeegee is perfect for clearing melted. So the handles have an EVA padded foam. So even when everything is freezing, you're not having to hold cold metal. And this makes it even more comfortable, even with gloves on. So the pole is aircraft grade aluminum, and it's been tested all the way down to -49 degrees Fahrenheit. So you know that it's not going to crack or snap after one season. So I wanted to show you this part. The head does swivel, and so you can scrape the hood of your car this way if you want. And then this pole comes apart. So it just disconnects like that. And then it comes with a bag. So you just put it in its storage bag so it doesn't roll around in your trunk, and it's always ready when you need it. If winter gets rough where you live, this 4-in-1 tool is a must-have. It cleans your car fast, keeps you dry, and can save you so much time in the morning. You should definitely check this out.